Combining geometry and scenes still has the same workflows you're used to available to you, where you can use either the geomerge or geoseed nodes and combine geometry or scenes together with ease. But you can now also combine geometry nodes together simply by connecting their pipes together. This allows for easier management of geometry node combinations, for nicer script organization, and brings Nuke's 3D nodes more in line with how Nuke's 2D nodes operate. The only thing to look out for though, with all these merging workflows, is that when merging geometry from different branches, they need to have unique IDs to one another. With all nodes using default paths, you shouldn't encounter any issues with this, but if you're merging two nodes with identical path masks, for example scene 1, shot 1, card 1 from one branch, and scene 1, shot 1, card 1 from another branch, then one of these cards will be overwritten by the other, meaning you will lose a piece of geometry from your scene. Another example of this would be using geo-import for two different branches loading the same file, and then trying to combine them together later. This would create ID conflicts and again result in data being overwritten. This is where using the georeference node would be advantageous. There is one merging workflow which will not work with the new 3D system that we wanted to highlight. We know many artists are used to creating a card, creating a dot node from this, and then merging this back on itself to create two or more cards in your 3D scene from a single card node. This will not work in the new system, as only one unique ID will be created, and the merge inputs will just overwrite each other. Instead, either duplicate the node itself and combine, or use the georeference node to create a new instance. We also have a geoduplicate node available, and this allows you to create multiple instances of the same piece of geometry and create unique path IDs for each instance and iterate on its position, rotation, and scale.